The scientific name of fish poison tree or sea poison tree is Barringtonia asiatica. It belongs to the family Lecythidaceae. It is a small, medium-sized tree growing to a height of 7 to 25 meters. The leaves are narrow, obovate, 20 to 40 centimeters in length and 10 to 20 centimeters in width. Fish poison tree is native to mangrove habitats from islands of the Indian Ocean in the west to tropical Asia and islands of the western Pacific Ocean. This tree is also known as box fruit due to the distinct box-shaped fruit it produces. Flowers are very showy with 4 white petals and lots of fine pink-tipped stamens forming a pom-pom shape of 10 to 15 centimeters. The flowers open at night and attract large moths and nectar-feeding bats with their heavy scent. The next morning, the flower stamens are usually found strewn beneath the tree. The fruit is aptly known as the box fruit due to the distinct square-like diagonals jutting out from the cross-section of the fruit, giving it semi-spherical shape form from stem, altering to a subpyramidal shape at its base. The fruit measures 9 to 11 centimeters in diameter, where a thick, spongy, fibrous layer covers the 4 to 5 centimeters diameter seed. The fruit is dispersed in the same way as a coconut by ocean current, and it is extremely water resistant and buoyant. It can survive afloat for up to 15 years. All parts of the tree contain saponin, a poison. The toxin is concentrated mainly in the seeds. Box fruits are potent enough to be used as a fish poison. The seeds are ground to a powder and used to stun or kill fish for easy capture, suffocating the fish while the flesh is unaffected. The heated leaves are used to treat stomachache and rheumatism. Seeds are used to get rid of intestinal worms. Thank you for watching and wish you good day.